Hey guys, welcome back to the discuss. So today we are going to discuss about the referral program of Post Affiliate Pro, and here is the PPT for that. So let's get started. So here are the basic domains of discussion on what are the things that will be covered in this video, which is how to become a referral for PAP, what is the minimum payout, how to promote PAP, what is the commission offered per sale, what is the sub referral program of PAP, and what is the payment method. So let's dive into the first topic, that is how to become a referral for PAP. It is really simple. Just sign up using the first link in description. It basically redirects you directly to the affiliate sign up, and it's completely free. And after you are on the page, just simply fill the basic details that they'll ask you. And in the referral ID section, you can type SWAM11 or leave it blank. It's up to you. For just signing up in their free affiliate program, you get $5 for completely free, which you can obviously can't cash out until the minimum payout limit is reached. But yes, you can sign up for free using the first link in description for the affiliate program and promote PAP, and yeah, make some good money. Okay, so the next thing is what is the minimum payout? Actually, the minimum payout is a bit high. It is about $250, and you should have minimum of 2 distinct customers in order to cash that out. But they actually provide you with some good promotion material, so you should have some basic marketing skills in order to generate sales for them, and it shouldn't be hard for you. The next thing is how to promote PAP. It is simple. They directly provide you your affiliate link along with some great marketing promotion material which you can use for free and promote PAP. Let's just check out their affiliate panel to get complete info about how to promote PAP. So as you can see, this is how the homepage of affiliate panel looks like. It basically gives you the basic overview, like what were the clicks on your link, and so here you can see is the $5 free commission that you get on the first sign up for. It's completely free. Here are the impressions, and yes, you can check them out. Now the best thing about the referral program of PAP is that they provide you with an complete affiliate control panel tool by one of the members of Post Affiliate Pro itself. So yes, you can check this video out. I'll provide the link in description, and yes, you can learn quite a lot of things from this video. The next thing is the getting started thing, where you get your basically the promotion tips and the FAQ section. Is the advanced tracking section and direct link URL. Everything you get in the getting started section. It's pretty basic, and they give you pretty basic tips on how to you can promote their referral program. The next thing is the promotion material that they provide you with, which are you can launch a campaign right from here. Here are the banners and links section, which you can access from here also. And yes, you can create some banners and links, some good banners and links, and you can paste it in your website or anywhere where you are promoting this the program, their affiliate program. So yeah, this was it for the promotion section. The next thing is the most important thing for the affiliates, which are the reports. Here's the quick stats basically on how many clicks your link got, and what were the impressions, what are the CTRs, and yeah, the sales count, all the call to action thing, everything they provide you in this under one section. Here's the trends report, commissions, click lists, everything. This is basically into the report section. The next thing is the my profile section, where you can customize your profile right from here. So this was pretty much it for the affiliate panel tool. Yeah, this was it. The next thing is basically what is the commission offered for sale. So they offer a 20% commission on all the orders, and after that a 20% recurring commission is given for as long as your client renews a membership. It's pretty basic. The next thing is something I want to discuss, which is what is the sub referral program of PAP. Now this is a great thing that quite a lot of good companies offer, which is called second tier commission or sub referral program. Now let's just say when somebody becomes an affiliate through your link, and they become your sub referral. Basically, they are called your sub referrals as they signed up using your affiliate link. And let's say your sub referral is promoting the same PAP program, and he gets a client. So he will get your sub referral will get 20% fully, but you also make 10% as you were the referral to your sub referral. And this is basically called a second tier commission. It is a bit confusing, but it's really easy to understand. So this is how you both earn your individual profits. Now, what is the payment method? They pay you through PayPal and also via check, and checks and the payouts are given at the end of every month. So yes, the conclusion. So if you're looking for a good software to promote, then you can sign completely for free using the first link in the description. Become a PAP affiliate and also claim your $5 completely for free. And hope I could give some value to you. And if it is the case, then please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. I would love to help you out. And yeah, thank you. Cheers.